Plant FAQs. Sansevieria Bantel Sensation. Sansevieria Bantel Sensation, the easy care, striped snake plant. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a huge fan of houseplants. One of my favorites is the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation, also known as the white Sansevieria. It's a stunning variety of the popular snake plant, boasting unique features and easy care requirements. In this FAQ, I'll answer some of the most common questions about the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation and help you decide if it's the right houseplant for you. What makes the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation special? The Bantel Sensation stands out from other snake plants with its captivating foliage. Unlike the typical dark green leaves, this variety boasts distinctive white vertical stripes. These stripes add a touch of elegance and visual interest to any space. The leaves themselves are thinner and more pointed than some snake plant varieties, giving the plant a more modern and sleek look. It maintains the characteristic upright growth of the snake plant, reaching up to 3 feet tall in a pot. Is the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation difficult to care for? Absolutely not. This is one of the easiest houseplants to care for, making it perfect for beginners or busy plant parents. Here's what you need to know. Light. Bantel Sensation prefers moderate to bright indirect light. It can tolerate low light conditions, but the white stripes may become less vibrant. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Like most snake plants, the Bantel Sensation thrives on neglect when it comes to watering. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is the most common mistake with this plant. Soil, a well-draining potting mix, is essential. A cactus or succulent mix is ideal. Temperature. This plant prefers average room temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Fertilizer. Fertilizing is not necessary but can be done occasionally during the growing season with a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Can I propagate the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation? Absolutely. This plant can be easily propagated by division. In spring or summer, remove the plant from its pot and carefully separate the rhizomes, underground stems, with sharp, sterilized tools. Each rhizome with a few leaves can be potted in a new container with well-draining soil. Does the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation purify the air? Many studies have shown that snake plants, including the Bantel Sensation, can help improve indoor air quality by removing common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Where can I buy a Sansevieria Bantel Sensation? These unique plants can be found at many online retailers and garden centers. Look for reputable sellers who specialize in houseplants. Bantel's plant exhibits consistently narrow leaves, while Sansevieria Sayuri initially showcases narrow leaves that broaden as it matures. Some observers might note that Sayuri possesses a more minty hue compared to Bantel's, although perceptions of color can vary. Sansevieria Bantel Sensation versus Metallica. I found that Sansevieria Bantel Sensation has a striking, elegant variegation that really brightens up my living room, whereas the Sansevieria Metallica's subtle, silvery sheen gives my office a more modern and sleek vibe. Final thoughts on the Sansevieria Bantel Sensation. The Sansevieria Bantel Sensation is a beautiful and easy-care houseplant that will add a touch of modern style to your home. With its minimal needs and air-purifying properties, it's a great choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance conversation starter, the Bantel Sensation might be the perfect plant for you.